step by step how to reset your Instagram password on desktop. So firstly, open up your browser, go to instagram.com. Once you're on the login screen here, so what we're going to do, you're going to hit on this forget password option here. Click on it, and then here plug in your email address or your phone number or even username that's associated with your account. So just plug that in, any of those information. So just plug that in and then hit on send login link. So what happens now is Instagram sends you a link to your email. So all you have to do is go to your email, open the mail from Instagram, and then click on the link to reset your password. So you click on it and then you can set your new password, and that way you can reset your password. If that way it doesn't work, there is another way of resetting your password that you can do. So what you're going to do is on your Instagram here, click on this option here, can't reset your password. So click that option, click it, and then once you've clicked that option, you'll get to this screen here where you're going to confirm your identity. So just click in I'm not robot, hit on next. Once you're done with that, then select the email option here and then click on next. And then now what happens is Instagram would have sent you a 6-digit code to your email address. All you have to do is now go to your email and then copy that 6-digit code. So go to your email and then look for the mail from Instagram. You got it here. So open it up and then copy the 6-digit code. So that's the code here. So I'll just copy that. Okay, so just copy it, right? And then go back to Instagram and then paste it. Paste it and then hit on confirm. Once that's done, you'll get to this page here where you're going to confirm your email. You can confirm that, or else you can just skip it if you want to. I'll probably just confirm it. It's fine. It's optional. And then next you go to confirm your phone number. You can also confirm it, or you can just hit skip. I'll just skip that. And then next, this is where you reset your password. So you're going to plug in a new password so that you can reset it. So plug in a new password of your choice and then confirm it. And once that's done, all you have to do is hit on submit, and then you'll get to this final stage here where you just have to review. So this is just a review screen, so just review it, your details, hit on done, and that's pretty much it is. You're almost done with resetting. And what happens is Instagram will log you in. There you go, I've logged in. So I've logged in with my new password now. So my password has been changed. So you can log out of Instagram and then log back in again with your new password if you want to check it. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.